Good afternoon, everyone. Real fast video today of a knife that I made back in the fall and made a video on it. This is another one. This is the St. Lawrence Expedition knife. Okay, become extremely popular here again. It's big knife, heavy duty, intended for chopping, hacking, heavy duty bushcraft type things. Not so much for hunters. This is really a little overkill for hunters. You can skin with it. Really big blades. Got that belly on it and everything like some of my other ones. But in a pinch, yeah. But this is just a really big, heavy knife that's intended for chopping, really. And it's heavy enough to baton firewood with. Well, kindling wood. You know, we've talked about that in my other videos. I don't really recommend that with a knife, but in a pinch, you can do that. And this knife can do it too. This is a really heavy knife. Okay, about a 7-inch blade, 12 inches overall length. Lanyard hole. This one is in my gunstock tiger maple, as you've seen before in my other videos. It's the most popular wood that I'm using here at the time. Just everybody likes it. It really kind of jumps out at you. Traditional wood too. You know, the old type of flintlocks. Guns of the past, they always had figured maple wood on it. Tiger maple, figured, curly. Anyway, this one here, this one is spoken for, by the way. This one has a fancier sheath, and it does have the dangler loop on there with the D-ring, brass D-ring. This is optional. It can be taken off. A lot of guys like that on their belt so they can fling back and forth. Doesn't quite get caught up too high on your belt. Some people like it, as I say, some people don't. So it can be taken off. Anyway, if you like what you see here, this is again a fast video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video. I have been putting out some new short videos that YouTube has now. A little strange. I didn't know anything about that. I did some research on it, and I put 2 up yesterday, and it's just exploded the YouTube channel. Thousands and thousands of hits on there right now. So there'll be more of those. A couple of people have asked, you know, it's a really short video, but that's what they are, a short video. So got a lot more coming, more knives, more videos. So, oh, and of course there's a wait list on my site too if you'd like to join. That'll notify you real quick of any knives that I have available at that time. Doesn't happen too often, but you'll get an email telling you that there's one available. Okay, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.